Hello everyone. So welcome to one more video on the same definition, that is to read a string and check whether it contains a small case a or not. Now in this video I'm going to use looping method to solve the definition. So first thing, we're going to declare the variables. N will be used to store the length of the string. I will be used as the counter variable. X will be used to store the extracted character, and counter will be used to count how many A's have been encountered during the whole process. Now the looping process is going to go like this. I will be extracting each character from the first character till the length of the string, and during each extraction, that is during each iteration of the loop, I'm going to check the extracted character, and if it is I'm going to add in 1 to the counter. So the initial value of the counter is considered as 0, which means that I'm making an assumption that there are no A's in the string. And as and when I encounter I'm going to add in 1 to my counter. So that's my for loop. So let us extract each character. Now, when you know the position of the character to be extracted, a caret is a good way of extracting it, but you can go ahead and use other method if you are comfortable with it. So once the character is extracted, I'm going to check in whether it contains an A or not. If yes, I'm going to add in 1 to my counter. So when I come out of my for loop, I would have checked each and every character that I had entered in my string. So if this is the string, then my for loop is going to help me sift through each of the characters one at a time, one per loop, one per iteration, and that each character, one character, will be stored in the variable x. And I'm going to check in whether x contains an a or not. If yes, I'm adding 1 to my counter. So what are the possibilities at the end of the loop? Okay, this time let me use an else if ladder. If the counter is still 0, then what does it mean? It means that there were no A in the string, right? Now, if the counter was exactly 1, so I can just go ahead and copy. There's 1 A in the string, and otherwise, obviously, we know there were many A's in the string, right? So let us go ahead and check this logic. Okay, so it says that there was 1 A in the string. Let me put in one more A. Anywhere, it's going to work the same. There were many A's in the string, and I can actually take away the A and see. So it says there were no A in the string, right? So my logic is working fine. If you like creating such logic, you don't want shortcuts, then using such long logic is actually an excellent way of writing codes, but you need to be smarter when you're doing coding. Shortest methods and fastest performing methods are the best options. I've given you multiple options, 6 in total for this definition. So go ahead and try this out, and I'll see you in the next one with a new definition.